Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Today, in this video, you will learn how to move forms from Contact Form 7 to WPForms in WordPress. Let's begin with this video. As you can see that I have already created a form using the Contact Form 7 plugin. Now I want to move this form to WPForms. So to do that, what you need to do is hover onto WPForms and click on Tools. You can see an option here to import from other form plugins. You simply need to select the form plugin here from which you need to move the form to WPForms. In my case, it's Contact Form 7. So I will select it and click on Import. Under Contact Form 7, all the forms will be shown here. Select the one that you want to import. Once done, click on Import. You can see the success message here. Now you can edit this form using WPForms by simply clicking on this edit link here. You can make the changes as per your requirement. Once done, don't forget to save the changes. Now, to insert this form into Pages, simply copy this shortcode. Now hover on to Pages and click on Add New. You can add it to existing pages as well. Let me enter the title name first. I am pasting that shortcode here. Once done, let's publish this page. Time to view the form in action. You can see that we have successfully moved a form from Contact Form 7 to WPForms. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.